Welcome back gamers to the official ZAP Hosting YouTube channel. My name is Sally and in today's tutorial I will show you how you can get your own Last Oasis server in just 5 minutes. So let's get started. First, as always, visit our website zap-hosting.com and log in into your ZAP account. If you don't have an account yet, you can register here for free. Now navigate to the search bar and search for Last Oasis. Click on it and then click on the green Start button. Here you can configure your server to your liking. You can change the server location, slots, RAM, disk space, CPU and IPv4 is important if you want to protect your server from incoming DDoS attacks. Finally, select a payment method, but before you confirm your order, here's a little gift from us. 30% off voucher code which you can use by clicking here on Use Voucher and typing Oasis -30. After you confirm your order, the server will be up in just a minute. Now open your server now web interface and wait for the server files to finish downloading. After the installation is completed, you will notice that the server is offline, so more extra steps are needed to do before you can start your server. So now simply navigate to the settings tab, which can be found right here on the left. Here you will need to put in your customer key and a provider key. To do so, open a new tab and paste in the link that you will find in the video description. In here, log in with your Steam or Xbox account, depending on which platform you own the game. After logging in, click on Manage My Realm. Then navigate to the hosting bar and click Providers. In here you will find your customer key, so simply copy it, go back to your ZAP interface and paste it into the customer key box. After that, go back to the Last Oasis website and this time click on Add Key. Put in the name of your liking and then click on Add to generate a provider's key. Now simply copy it and once again go back to your ZAP interface and this time paste it into the provider's key box. After that, scroll down and make sure to save the settings and start your server by pressing on the green Start button. Once your server is online, you will need to create a realm before you can join the server. To do so, go back to the Last Oasis website and navigate to the Realm tab. In here, you will now be able to create a realm. To do so, simply click on Create My Own Realm Now button. Next, put in a name for your server and click on Create. After that, your realm will be successfully created, and if you wish to change the map you play on, click on Manage. Now select the position you want, click on Add, create a name and then simply choose the map and the PvP mode from the list. After that, click on Add Tile and make sure to activate it. To do so, simply select the position and click on Activate. And here you go, you have now successfully created your own Last Oasis server with a map of your choice. But if you wish, feel free to look around the Realm website as you're able to change other settings on your server like traveling mode, clans, region, set a message of the day, set a server description, make yourself an admin, set a server password and change many other settings. Now to join your server, simply launch the game on your PC. Click on Join Realm, then simply search for a server by name. Click on it, then select the map you have added from the list, confirm the region, of course create your character and connect to the server. And here you go, you have now successfully connected to your own Last Oasis server. Enjoy! If you have any questions, you can contact our support by creating a ticket on our website or live chat and we will be more than happy to help you out. Now have a lovely rest of the week and enjoy playing on your ZAP server.